This is MKCL LearnIco, the next generation education paradigm. MKCL LearnIco is an innovation which is revolutionizing the classrooms of today. Learning is effective and enjoyable when there is a lot of interactivity in the class. LearnIco is truly a way to make a classroom totally interactive. Let us take a quick overview of benefits of MKCL LearnIco. LearnIco makes the classrooms interactive. And by classrooms, we mean all kinds of classrooms, physical as well as remote, that is digital classrooms. LearnIco helps teachers to conduct classes using their laptops and mobile phones. LearnIco works perfectly in a classroom as well as in a remote classroom, that is when teachers and students are being connected from their homes. LearnIco also makes learning very easy and accessible for the learners. Just by using the LearnIco app, the student can participate in live lectures and all the classroom activities from either college or from their home. LearnIco app is compatible with all kinds of mobile phones and just requires an internet connection to be connected. LearnIco also helps teachers create high-quality e-learning content using MKCL's Creation Studio, which is integrated with LearnIco. Creating PowerPoints, adding learning resources, videos, and delivering live lectures is now made very simple and very easy to do. MKCL LearnIco is available across all platforms, that is Windows, Android, and iOS, and works perfectly across all devices, PCs, laptops, mobile phones, and tablets. Let us take a deeper look into the features of MKCL LearnIco. We have the classroom module, which allows the teachers to select classrooms, subjects, manage teaching plans, deliver interactive sessions and lectures, and assess learner performance. This module is installed on the computer system used to run the smart classroom. In case of the remote classroom, this module is present on teacher's computer or a laptop, or even on their mobile phone. Secondly, we have a teacher mobile application. This powerful application can be used by the teachers to log into any classroom remotely and start teaching. This app controls everything that the teacher needs to conduct a classroom, like presentations, lectures, real-time statistics, and performance and session summary. With this app, the teacher can teach remotely. Then we have the learner mobile application, which allows the students to log into their accounts privately and connect to classrooms, either remotely or even within the classroom. This app allows students to attend classes, see presentations, take quizzes and assessments, and also interact with the teacher in real time. Basically, this is the app for the learners, which covers everything that the learner has to do in order to learn effectively. Then we have a teacher's portal, which is a cloud-based module which allows teachers to manage the teaching plans, add classrooms, subject and students, and also create interactive presentations for their class sessions. To put simply, this powerful module completely helps the teachers to manage the administrative tasks related to their classes. And yes, on this portal, the teachers can also access a lot of smart reports and session summaries as well. Then we have a Creation Studio, which makes it really easy for the teachers to create interactive presentations and other teaching material. Teachers can make really creative presentations very easily in the Creation Studio. The teachers can also use a variety of question types to develop interactivities, which keep the students engaged. Then we have the Marketplace, which is like a huge online store for teachers to collaborate with the other teachers using MKCL LearnIco. Teachers can also purchase high-quality ready-made content and assessments created by world-class faculties and then use the same to teach their classes in their own style. Then we have the Reports module, which offers you a variety of comprehensive reports to minutely assess student performance. The reports are not just for students, but also for all the classrooms and all the teachers in an institution. The Reports module uses artificial intelligence to generate analytical reports which help the teachers and students understand the effectiveness, strengths and weaknesses, as well as the pain points, and then take appropriate actions. And finally, we have the license manager, which helps the institutions with purchases, license renewals, and managing the administrative lifecycle of LearnCo through a single point contact for the institute. Through these powerful modules, MKCL LearnCo makes the process of the digital transformation of your classroom very easy. It is very simple and intuitive. And most importantly, MKCL LearnCo works with your existing computer infrastructure and mobile apps, and thus there is no heavy investment required to transform the classrooms. To know more, please visit the website for more details.